Well, on this beautiful smoky afternoon, I thought it'd be perfect for us to smoke up some beef. In this case, we're going to smoke up this beautiful tri-tip, and we're going to rub it down with Headwaters Barbecue Baldy Mountain Beef Rub. So the Traeger is preheated to 180. We got about an hour and a half smoke initially on this tri-tip. So let's see how it's done. Get that rub all over. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half, and our tri-tip just hit 130 degrees. And so here she is. Now that's one good looking tri-tip.